Welcome to Vintage King Motorsports. Today we have another vintage chainsaw. This is a McCulloch Mac 120. It is a complete saw with no broken or damaged cases or repairs. It still has the original bar. It does start and run. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, just fire the crazy thing up. Well, I'll tell you what, we're going to fire the crazy thing up. Folks, this is a saw that's sat on a shelf for many years. We did put fresh gas in it and oil, and with no problem at all firing it right off. However, that being said, we definitely recommend cleaning the carburetor and possibly installing new fuel lines for good measure. It is, after all, a vintage chainsaw. A really nice saw, very lightweight. Remember to subscribe to our channel, click on the like, and stay tuned for more awesome videos with vintage chainsaws, motorcycles, and lots of new old stock parts. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.